Page 14, O come all ye faithful. 4/4 time. So we're counting to 4 and we're counting quarter notes. And it has a pickup beat, so we're coming in on beat 4. You're still in middle C position. So it's at the beginning here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So you get that? And that the only tricky part about this piece and the rhythm would be the dotted rhythm over on page 15. We get this in a couple, 3 places. Look at the first line. The last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if you've had dotted rhythms yet. I don't really teach that kind of stuff in these supplemental books. This is more of a repertoire type book where you just play in pieces. I teach this kind of stuff in the actual method book. I don't know if you've had that or not, but it's important that you get the dotted rhythm here. Rather than just know that on the dotted rhythm, it's a long note followed by a short note. In the second line, it's 1 and 2 there. 1 and 2 and. The 8th note comes on the end. 1 and 2. And in the last line, the last 2 measures, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so that's the dotted rhythm. It's just it's a long note and followed by a short note is what it is. I get into the detail of it in the method book, so I'll encourage you if you haven't do that. And that's pretty much it. So you go ahead and learn it, the whole thing slowly. Make sure you got all the rhythms and the notes and you got the phrasing in. You want to lift up a little silence between each phrase before you go on. Like on page 14, the phrase ends with a half note G, and before you play the E in the next line or the next measure, lift up. So there's a little silence there. So and you can hear that in the last measure on page 14. You have that ends it. Lift up before you play the C. Don't connect the D and the C. We want some silence there too, and do that throughout this whole piece. It makes a big difference. So let's play this together slowly to double check these notes and rhythms to make sure you've got all that. Now I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. So go ahead and put your hands in middle C position. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, rest. 2. And there's a duet part at the bottom of 14. I'd like to play that, and you play this part faster, and I need you to go up an octave. So just middle C, just pretend middle C goes up here, and do it all up here. And we'll do the whole thing together, hopefully. Now the duet part doesn't have a pickup beat. You get that first note by yourself, so I'm going to play that note with you, and then I'll do the duet part. 1, ready, go. Bye.